Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our do-it-yourself, also known as DIY woodworking workshop, where craftsmanship meets creativity. Today, we're thrilled to showcase the features of our handcrafted wooden toy Jeep and toy truck. Let's take a closer look. With these simple components, we'll create a timeless toy that's sure to bring joy to both children and adults alike. Lay out the wooden car body pieces in the correct order according to the instructions provided in your kit. Crafted from smooth, high-quality wood. This Jeep features a streamlined body, perfect for racing across any play surface. You're right. This one is special. It's made of wood. See how smooth it feels? And it smells like sunshine and fresh air? That's because it's made from real, natural wood. Wooden wheels are quieter than some toy cars. You can zoom this one around without making too much noise. Look at this awesome truck, isn't it? Wooden toys are good for the environment too, because they come from a renewable resource. And don't forget to peek inside, where you'll find a meticulously carved interior ready to transport your imagination to the finish line. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.